when we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
Good morning everyone and welcome to a new vlog. If I look tired, that's because I am. I feel like even concealer could not conceal the bags under my eyes. I thought I would do like a few days in my life. I'm doing a few things and then in the next few days that I'm very excited about. Like for example, this afternoon, I'm seeing my friend Lorie and I haven't seen her since September, and before that we hadn't seen each other since early March or the end of February, we're not sure. I'm so excited. We haven't seen each other for so long. We talk pretty much every day via like voice messages, but it's gonna be so nice to see each other. Not gonna lie, so much happened already this morning that I'm so tired and drained, and I'm starting my day way later than I wanted to because I had to make so many calls and like emails and whatever. The day kind of turned around. I woke up super tired and then I had bad news that so much happened after. The outcome is positive, so I'm very happy. I'm still gonna start my day with some journaling because I do feel like I need to write down a few things to like let them go and just get them over with, and then I can start my day because I'm gonna keep thinking about it. If I don't, I can tell. Then I'm gonna start well, I'm not gonna start. I'm gonna finish editing my video for Friday. It's my journaling video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link down below. I'm very happy with it. I'm so happy with my journey with journaling. I'm so happy I finally started. And then we'll make some lunch and then we'll see Lorie.
Hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Done working, so now I'm gonna make some lunch. I have some leftover rice, so I think I'm gonna do a quick stir fry. Lorie's in the bus, so I'm gonna head out. I'm so excited, and at the same time I'm so stressed. I'm like, what if I don't know how to like socialize anymore? Because I see no one except my parents, my sister, and my boyfriend. I don't count my therapist and my physiotherapist because that's very sad, but I'm like, oh my god, what if I don't know how to behave normally? Anyways, let's go. I'm gonna film on my phone because I'm bringing my smallest bag and you don't fit in it, so. It's pretty overcast, which I'm very sad about. It was supposed to be super sunny today, but it doesn't matter.
I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
I'm walking home. It was so nice to see Lorie, and it was so wholesome to see like a friend and just like chat, and oh my god, that was so good. I felt so refreshed. It's so weird. So it's the next day. It's Friday today. Yesterday was so good. It's like we don't need to see each other all the time. It's like when we see each other, it's like we've seen each other every day for years and years. It's so nice. Like we spent probably 4 hours walking and talking and talking and talking, and then we had some ice cream, and honestly I feel like so much better for it. I feel like kind of refueled. I feel like it's really hard not to see a lot of people anymore. Like literally I just see the same 5 people. It's been so nice to be able to talk to her and just like see her at the same time, you know. Like voice messages are amazing, but like you don't get an immediate response from the person. Today is Friday. I need to finish up my video for tonight. And I do have therapy at 2 p.m. and then I would like to clean the apartment because I like to start the weekend with a like super clean apartment. Yeah, I do have quite a few things to do today, so I do need to get cracking. So I'm on my way to therapy. I'm very tired, so I don't really feel like talking for a long time, but I'm sure it's going to be fine. Such a beautiful weather at the same time. Oh my god. It was so hot, I even took off my jacket.